Ethical and legal considerations in sourcing are crucial for building a sustainable and trustworthy online arbitrage business. In 2026, marketplaces have become more transparent, consumers more aware, and regulations more strict. Understanding how to operate ethically and legally isn't just about compliance, it's about protecting your reputation and long-term profitability. Let's start with legality. Every product you sell must comply with marketplace policies and intellectual property laws. That means verifying that your inventory is authentic, properly sourced, and permitted for resale. Avoid counterfeit, gray market, or parallel imported goods, as these can lead to account suspensions or even legal action. The best way to stay safe is to source only from reputable and authorized retailers. Keep records of every purchase, including invoices, receipts, and supplier contact details. Marketplaces like Amazon may request these documents during audits or authenticity checks, and failure to provide them can lead to listing removal. Having detailed documentation not only protects your account, but also builds trust with buyers and brands. Brand restrictions are another critical area. Some brands prohibit reselling without authorization, while others restrict specific products or categories. Use tools like IP Alert or Seller Amp to identify restricted brands and avoid violating intellectual property rights. It's always better to skip a product than risk an account suspension. Beyond legality, ethical sourcing matters more than ever. Consumers are increasingly demanding products that are sustainable, fair trade, and ethically produced. While online arbitrage doesn't directly involve manufacturing, you can still make ethical choices by prioritizing products and suppliers that align with those values. Supporting sustainable brands not only protects your business but also attracts a growing segment of conscious consumers. Environmental responsibility also plays a role. Overpackaging, excessive shipping, and waste from unsold inventory contribute to carbon emissions. Consider using eco-friendly prep centers and suppliers who minimize packaging waste. Even small steps like consolidating shipments can reduce your environmental footprint and operating costs. Data privacy is another emerging issue. Many sellers use AI tools, automation, and analytics platforms that handle customer or supplier data. Ensure you're compliant with regulations like GDPR and CCPA by using secure systems and obtaining consent where required. Protecting data is both a legal and ethical obligation. Tax compliance is equally important. Register for the proper sales tax or VAT accounts based on where you sell. Tools like Avalara or TaxJar automate calculations and filings, ensuring accuracy and transparency. Finally, consider the social impact of your business. As automation and global sourcing expand, maintaining ethical labor practices, both in your own operations and among your suppliers, should be a priority. If you hire virtual assistants or freelancers, pay fair rates, and foster professional, respectful relationships. In 2026, success in online arbitrage isn't just about finding profitable products, it's about operating responsibly. Ethical and legal sourcing builds resilience, earns customer trust, and ensures your business thrives sustainably in a rapidly changing world.